me to your home.
Yes,
And why?
to face my daughter. Because my daughter is very beautiful. Because you don't like me, and I want you to know that my daughter is, maybe you like my daughter also. Diba? Don't go
Okay.
home. Don't
Okay.
go home,
Okay.
Josh.
I understand.
Don't go home, please.
I understand.
Please.
All right. Okay. I will go with you.
Yes.
In your house.
You go with me.
Yes.
If you want, if you want also, you can go to my daughter. You will love my daughter, and you can love me also if you want.
You mean I will love two girls?
Yes.
You and your daughter?
Yes, if you want also.
All right. Okay, sige. Let's go home.
Oh, sige,
Let's
sige.
go home now.
Let's go.
Oh,
Thank you, Josa. You bring me chocolate?
yes, of course.
Oh.
I'll bring very many chocolate.
Oh, thank you.
And I'll